It's tea time for the ladies. Your chance to see the world's best professional women golfers. LPGA action in full swing. Wednesday, the Pro-Am. All-day practice Thursday. And the LPGA tournament Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tickets at the gate.
If you're having trouble weighing the difference between air conditioners, consider this. Not only does a Lennox come with nearly 100 years of home comfort experience, it also comes with a feature no other air conditioner can offer. One that's met the industry's only quality standards program. A professional Lennox dealer.
Bullock Furniture, your hospitality center, continues their 50% free fair sale. Up to 50% free values in every department of quality name brand furnishings. Broyhill, Flagsteel, Singer, Bassett, Williams, Hooker, and American Drew.
Be one of America's winners this spring when you bring home the savings from Dodge. You can get cash back on nearly every Dodge car in stock.
You're traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination. In the Twilight Zone.
Want to save money on your utility bills? NIPSCO can help with our Home Energy Audit Program. We offer customers an easy way to have their home checked for energy conservation.